welcome back to Kinetic Auto Works. Today we have this brand new 2022 Subaru WRX, and we are going to be installing an Invidia R400 exhaust on it. This one's actually supposed to be the stainless steel tip version, but the customer opted to have them custom finished in a black tip instead. It'll look real nice with this rear garnish right here, I feel like. They also make this exhaust in a titanium tip. So if you guys are interested in something like this for your 22 WRX, give us a call.
Blow-up valve is pretty nice.
Yeah, that sounds pretty good for like stock.
Yeah, it's not bad. So we just did some sound clips with the WRX, and coming out as a 2022 BRZ owner, it does sound really good. I know the BRZ is natural aspirated, but this being turbo powered, basically the same platform. It does sound good with the Invidia, is it the R400? I think? Yeah, Invidia R400. So, I mean, I have an Invidia exhaust as well as the N2 on mine, so it sounds fairly similar. This one's a little bit more tamed, but it's not too drony. It's a lot of bass and sounds alright for a price, so I think it sounds pretty good. So that's just me. Anyways, we're going back to shop. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe for more.